had a nice sleep. Oh, right. You can't respond, can you? Sorry, puppy. Puppy, please. Please don't panic, I won't hurt you. Absolutely. You're such a good girl for me, so... Do you have any questions for me? Aster. Anything else? Where are you? I already answered that, but you're in my basement, and after a while, if you're a girl for me, although you have free reign around here. But the door will be locked, and if I ever have a reason to suspect you're trying to leave, I will tie you back to this chair. Anything else? It really depends. I already killed your cousin, I think. If you're a beaten puppy, you certainly will, though. Please don't cry. Girls like you are too cute to cry. I don't like watching your face contort like that. I have some business to take care of in the meantime, so bye-bye for now, puppy.